Hi, it's Rachel from Diamon-Fusion International. I know your time is valuable, so I'll keep this brief. I want to introduce you to something truly innovative, solutions you haven't seen before that are already delivering exceptional results to others in your industry.
These aren't just novel ideas, they're proven results, already enhancing the quality and performance of windows and doors for industry leaders like you. Standing out in today's market means offering value your competitors can't match. Diamon-Fusion does exactly that, enhancing the durability and clarity of your windows and doors, simplifying maintenance and reducing both costs and production time. Diamon-Fusion makes your windows and doors water repellent for crystal clear surfaces and stain and impact resistant for superior durability, all creating enhanced brilliance. Our ultra-thin coating bonds at the molecular level, forming an invisible shield that protects and enhances glass. Compatible with nearly every sealant, adhesive, and tape, it integrates seamlessly into your existing processes. This is possible with our patented Fuse Cube system. This automated system makes coating application effortless. It frees up your labor while ensuring consistent coverage on both sides of the glass. And here's the best part. It's available with a no money down, risk-free offering. So getting started has never been easier. And it's not just the product. We've developed proprietary sales tools, like the one you're holding now, to help you educate your retailers and customers, showcasing these benefits and giving your offerings a competitive edge. We'd love to show you why manufacturers like Manco and Durabuilt trust DFI as their partner of choice. Visit dfisolutions.com or scan the QR code on your screen to learn more about what makes Diamon-Fusion the go-to solution for window and door manufacturers around the globe.